Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix your payment could not be sent on Cash App. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. If you're facing this type of error while sending money to someone, then I'll show you how can you fix it. Just simply close this page, and firstly you have to make sure that you have put correct information about the receiver, and after that check whether your problem has been fixed or not. And after that, what you need to do is just simply make sure that you have linked correct bank account and debit card which used in your Cash App account, and after that check whether your problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem is there, then what you need to do is just simply make sure that you have connected with internet. And after that, what you need to do is just simply turn the aeroplane mode on at least for the 60 seconds, and then turn it off from here, and then go back, and then you have to open settings from here. And the main reason is that you have to correct your time or date from here. So you have to correct your date and time. So from here you have to tap on system, and then you have to tap on date and time. And from here you have to make sure that you have turned the Google on for automatic time zone, and after that check whether your problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem is there, then what you need to do is just simply open settings, and then you have to tap on apps from here, and after that you have to search for Cash App. Here it is, guys. So you have to make sure that you have allowed all the permissions from here. So you have to allow all the permissions to this one, and then go back from here. And after that, what you need to do is just simply wait for 3 hours, and then try again, and then check whether your problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem is there, then what you need to do is just simply open any browser in your phone, like I am opening Google Chrome here, and then you have to search for Cash App Support. So you have to search for Cash App Support like this, and then you have to tap on second one, and you have to wait for a while from here. And from here you have to select your topic, and then you have to put your correct information, and after 48 hours your problem will be fixed. So that's it, guys, for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.